In this video, method to use parabolic PSAR indicator profitably is explained in two different ways. The first is by using multi-timeframe PSAR. The second is by combining PSAR with other indicators. PSAR stands for stop and reverse, and it is a trend following indicator. It is designed to identify the turning point in price action. The parabolic PSAR is shown on the charts as a series of small dots that are placed either above or below the price. When the price is trending to the upside, the dots are below the price action, and when the price is trending to the downside, the dots are above the price action. Parabolic PSAR trails the price movement until the price move has finished and begins to reverse. As the price move comes to an end, the parabolic PSAR moves steadily closer to the price until the price ends up touching the dots. The PSAR then begins to form on the other side of the price, indicating that the price is changing direction. The first method is called as multi-timeframe PSAR. In this method, we have to use two time frame, namely trading time frame and lower time frame. If we trade in time frame H1, lower time frame can be M15 or M5. If we trade in time frame H4, lower time frame can be H1 or M15. And then, if we trade in time frame D1, lower time frame can be H1 or H4. Okay. Let's say we trade in the time frame H1 as shown in this figure. And then, we see that the PSAR dots change the position from below the price to above the price. It is a strong indication that trend change may be happened. It is necessary to note that, do not enter the trade. We need a strong confirmation from the lower time frame. Then, we go to lower time frame. Since we trade in H1, we can select M15 as the lower time frame. If 3 P-Sar dots are already formed at the lower time frame, then sell setup at time frame H1 is valid. If not, do not enter the trade. Wait until 3 P-Sar dots are formed at the lower time frame. The same method can be applied in spotting possible big uptrend. Let's say we trade in time frame H4. Then, we notice that P-Sar dot changed the position from above to below the price. It is a good indication of trend change or reversal, but we need confirmation from lower time frame. Then, we go to lower time frame. Since we trade in H4, we can select H1 or M15 as the lower time frame. In this case, we select M15. If 3 P-Sar dots are already formed at the lower time frame, then buy setup at time frame H4 is valid. If not, do not enter the trade. Wait until 3 P-Sar dots are formed at the lower time frame. The second method in using P-Sar is by combining with other indicators. It is necessary to note that P-Sar is trend indicator. Do not combine P-Sar with other trend indicators since it will create redundancy. It is better to combine P-Sar with trend strength indicator. The most common indicator representing trend strength is ADX or average directional index indicator. ADX indicator measures the price movements and provides a reading to indicate whether the current trend is strong or weak. If the trend reading is strong, then a sustained move can be expected, whereas if the reading is weak, then it is likely the market will simply range. If ADX less than 25, the trend is considered as weak. If ADX greater than 25, the trend is considered as strong. Then, how to use P-Sar in combination with ADX indicator profitably. In this method, we do not need to use multiple time frame analysis. We can only use single time frame. For buy setup, we need to wait until these two conditions are met. The first is P-Sar dot change the position from above to below the price. The second is ADX is greater than 25. It is a good indication of an uptrend. For sell setup, we also need to wait until these two conditions are met. The first is P-Sar dot change the position from below to above the price. Then, the second is ADX is greater than 25. It is a good indication of a downtrend. That's all the knowledge we share about parabolic PSAR indicator. Hope this beneficial in improving our trading skill. Thank you for watching.